हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माइनर एजुकेशन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट द पेपर एनालिसिस फॉर सेट जनरल सिम्बोसिस 2024। जितने भी एस्पिरेंट्स ने टेस्ट 1 अटेम्प्ट किया था 5th मई को एंड टेस्ट 2 ऑन 11th मई विच इज टुडेज डेट, विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द पेपर एनालिसिस ऑफ ऑल दी सेक्शंस विच इज इंग्लिश, क्वांट, जीके, एनालिटिकल एंड लॉजिकल रीजनिंग। तो मेक श्योर दैट ये वीडियो आप एंड तक ज़रूर देखना बिकॉज विल बी डिस्कसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ इनसाइट्स about the exam and the paper analysis. So yes guys, before we begin, make sure that you all follow us on our social media, which is Instagram, Facebook. You all can join our Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, and make sure to subscribe our channel as well for more such videos. So let's jump into the analysis. So starting with the highlights of the test 1 and 2, set was conducted from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. in the computer based test, which is your CBT mode. Now, this exam was conducted on 5th May for test 1 and on 11th May, which is on today's date, in a single shift on the same exam time as test 1, which is 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Now, the set exam pattern is the same as the previous year. Paper pattern में कोई भी changes नहीं था. The overall difficulty level of the set question paper was moderate for test 1, and for set exam 2024 test 2 the difficulty level was easy. तो टेस्ट 2 का डिफिकल्टी लेवल इजी रहा है कंपेयर टू टेस्ट 1. सेट क्वेश्चन पेपर 2024 डज नॉट हैव नेगेटिव मार्किंग्स एंड ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज 1 मार्क अगर आपने सही अटेम्प्ट किया है तो. द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ दिस एग्जाम वाज 60 मिनट्स, जो कि 1 आवर का टाइम मिला था स्टूडेंट्स को. 4 सेक्शंस, 4 डिफरेंट सेक्शंस, एंड स्टूडेंट्स कैन स्विच बिटवीन सेक्शंस एज वेल. नो सेक्शन टाइम लिमिट वाज देयर. So yes, starting with the number of questions. So there were 16 questions for English, quant and general awareness. For analytical and logical reasoning, 12 questions थे. Overall 60 questions for 60 marks. As we discussed the marking system, there was no negative marking and +1 for every correct answer, and all these sections were mandatory to attempt. So starting with the general English section. Now this section included questions on tenses, 2 questions, proverbs and idioms 3 questions, figures of speech 1 question, grammar 5 questions, vocabulary and spelling 5 questions. Now this was for test 1. Talking about the level of difficulty, was test 1 was moderate as we discussed earlier. Test 1 की difficulty, overall difficulty level ही moderate रही है compared to test 2. टेस्ट 2 में जो क्वेश्चंस आपको देखने को मिले थे, दे वर टेंसेस 2 क्वेश्चंस, प्रोवर्ब्स एंड इडियम्स 2 क्वेश्चंस, फिगर ऑफ स्पीच 1 क्वेश्चन, ग्रामर से 4 क्वेश्चंस थे, वर्बल रीजनिंग से 3 क्वेश्चंस थे, एंड वर्बल एंड स्पेलिंग्स से 4 questions थे. So in this set analysis of general English section, we observed a balanced distribution of questions covering various topics of English language proficiency. The exam assessed candidates' proficiency in grammar rules, comprehensions of idiomatic expressions and ability to apply vocabulary effectively. टेस्ट 2 की अगर हम बात करें, सो अ जेन्युइन गुड अटेम्प्ट कंसिडर्ड ऑफ आंसरिंग 14 or more questions within the ideal time frame of 12 minutes was a genuine attempt. Talking about the quantitative aptitude section. Now, as the candidate, you are eager to learn more about the exam and move further in the next section of set exam analysis. Now, let's quickly go through the quantitative section. The quantitative section is an important aspect of SET 2024 exam and includes several topics which focuses on arithmetic 7 questions, modern mathematics 1 questions, geometry 2 questions, algebra 1 questions, number 3 questions, data interpretation which is DI 2 questions, and candidate were tested on their proficiency across various mathematical domains. Now, the level of difficulty ranged from easy to moderate, providing a balanced challenge approach for test takers. Talking about the genuine attempts were 14 or more questions within the ideal time frame of 25 minutes. Also, guys, arithmetic included the majority of the questions, emphasizing its significance in the quantitative section. Talking about the test 2, so with a focus on arithmetic, 4 questions, modern mathematics 1 question, algebra 4 questions, number 3 questions, data interpretation 4 questions. So talking about the level of difficulty ranged from easy to moderate, again providing a balanced challenge approach for test takers. Talking about the genuine attempt, which were 14 or more questions within the ideal time frame again of 25 minutes. तो लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी अगर हम बात करें फॉर बोथ ऑफ द टेस्ट विच इज टेस्ट 1 टेस्ट 2 मॉडरेट रहा है. नाउ talking about the next section which is the GK section. So the general awareness section showed a balanced distribution of questions between static GK 11 questions and current affairs 5 questions. We are talking about the test 1. The evaluation of this section level of difficulty considers requiring a thorough understanding of both static and information on current affairs as well. So दोनों का बैलेंस रहा है यहाँ पे. static and current affairs दोनों से questions देखने को मिले हैं. Despite its challenging nature, candidates who have attempted 6 or more questions are considered to have made genuine good attempts. Overall अगर हम बात करें जनरल अवेयरनेस सेक्शन की of the exam of test 1 signifies staying updated and prepared well for both historical facts and the current events as well. For test 2, static GK से 10 questions, current affairs से 6 questions. The evaluation of this section's level of difficulty considers it difficult. So yes, level of difficulty test 2 की difficult रही है. All the candidates who have attempted 7 or more questions are considered to have made a good attempt, showcasing their proficiency in this section. Now the last section, which is analytical and logical reasoning. As per test 1, the section included questions on verbal reasoning 2 questions, coding decoding 3 questions, clocks and calendars 2 questions, ascending and descending order 2 questions, series 1 question, blood relation 1 question, and linear arrangement 1 question. So the level of difficulty range from easy to moderate, providing candidates with an opportunity to showcase their problem solving skills across various complexities. So yes, level of difficulty अगर हम बात करें for test 1, तो यहाँ पे easy to moderate देखने को मिला है. बट कुछ जो ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको ये सेक्शन थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट भी लगा है. Talking about the test 2, the section included questions on verbal reasoning 2 questions, coding decoding 2 questions, clocks and calendar 2 questions, syllogism 1 question, series 3 question, blood relation 1 question, linear arrangement 1 question. It covered a wide range of topics to provide a comprehensive assessment. And ideal time allocated of 15 minutes allowed candidates to navigate through the questions. अगर हम genuine attempt की बात करें तो good attempts were exceeding 10 questions. Level of difficulty test 2 की moderate रही है. जितने भी students ने अच्छे से prepare किया होगा definitely they would have made it through all the answers. Now overall अगर हम analysis की बात करें set test 1 की, so with a genuine good attempt exceeding 44 and a good score benchmark set at 41 or above, all the candidates demonstrated commendable efforts and proficiency in tackling the examination. Talking about the test 2 जो कि difficult, with a genuine good attempt exceeding 45 and good score benchmark set at 43 or above. टेस्ट 2 उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट रहा होगा जिन्होंने अच्छे से प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था, बट टेस्ट 2 जो है ईजी था कंपेयर टू टेस्ट 1. नाउ एज वी आर डन विद द एग्जामिनेशन, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज कमिंग अप इज अबाउट द रिजल्ट्स एंड द पर्सनल इंटरव्यू एंड योर रिटन एबिलिटी टेस्ट. आपके रिजल्ट्स जो है अनाउंस होंगे 22 मई को. उसके बाद जो है आपका पर्सनल इंटरव्यू राउंड स्टार्ट होगा. सो लुकिंग अहेड टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज all the candidates should aim to maintain a balanced focus on both their set score and the PI VAT process, with each component contributing equally to their overall evaluation. So make sure that you are preparing well for the VAT and PI round as well. Now, in order to prepare well for the stage 2, you all need proper preparation resources, for which you all can simply visit our website which is maneuveraedu.com. डैशबोर्ड पे आपको complete preparation resources मिल जाएंगे. So I'll simply have to visit maneuveraedu.com, click on buy online. BB entrance पे आपको आ जाना है. Scroll करने पर you all can see the program for VAT and PI. Simply click on show package and you all can start preparing for the interview, which is extremely important for your final selection. Now these interviews, video lectures will help you to prepare well for your interview questions and the most expected questions. Also that आपको interview में से कौन से मिस्टेक्स है जो अवॉइड करनी है, हाउ टू एंटर एंड एग्जिट द इंटरव्यू, and what all things are important for you all to remember during the interview. So make sure you take the access of this particular program and start preparing. We are done with this set test. Now it's time to focus on the personal interview and written ability test. So through these programs, you will be learning all the essential things, your do's for the interview, don'ts for the interview, dressing for the D-Day, how to enter, exit the interview, how to create your best impression, what interviewer look at during the interview. Now for your written ability test, structure of VAT, objectives of VAT, preparation strategy for VAT, which is most important. इसी पर आपका VAT depend होता है. Points to remember about your written ability test. तो यस, किक स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन राइट अवे, क्योंकि अभी आपके जो रिजल्ट्स आने के बाद आपके PI-VAT का प्रोसेस भी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप वहाँ से भी चेकआउट कर सकते हो. So yes guys, that was it from my side. I hope this video was helpful. So make sure to share this video with all your friends as well and subscribe our channel for more such videos, and until then I will see you in the next upcoming video.